Hey, it's Magic Toaster here. Gonna do a little unboxing about the Dragy. Here is the box it comes in. Say, ooh, see, a Dragy. Very plain, very minimalist. You can get it at godragy.com or I got it off of Amazon. I don't have any special deals. I'm just doing this because people might like it. So let's. I'll take that. See, it comes a little foam on top, and there's Dragy. See, we can just take it out. Yep, take it out. There's Dragy. There's all that fun stuff. And comes with 2 of these double-coated tissue paper. Comes with the manual. Okay, that's still recording. All right. So you get a Dragy, 2 mounting plates, charging cable. Here's the instructions, how to get started. There's LED, charging point. It has 2 magnets on it, definitely helpful. And it needs a Dragy app, and then you connect it like any other Bluetooth. If you know how Bluetooth works, you know, you can figure it out. So it'll connect to the satellite, and it will automatically pick up the metrics, and it will record on your phone, an overlay thing. And I'm gonna figure it out for the first time how to use it, and we're gonna test it out on an electric motorcycle. That's right, my Energica Ego. If we get lucky, I might be able to test it out on one of my RC cars. See, it's 0 to 60. I think it's really gonna blow away any kind of vehicle out there, 0 to 60. But that's only if I could get around to doing that. We'll see. I'll cut it out if I don't. Okay, now that you've charged the battery a little bit, you just hit connect. Boop, trying to find Dragy. I found it. Alright, this is pretty much about all you need to know about the Dragy. So the rest will just bore you. So on to the testing. Woo!
Hey everyone, it's Magic Toaster here. It's on my way to Mexico. A new guy I found, who's been doing this a lot longer than I have, named Zero Fun. Awesome guy. He's actually a lot of fun. He decided to go do the Dragy at Mexico. So he told me about a great spot down there, so I'm gonna go check it out. Go test out the Dragy. Alright, ready? Reset. Dragy. Recording. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, not to make any excuse here, but I do weigh 300 plus or minus pounds, so the bike is struggling to get me up there. But one interesting thing I saw while seeing this video is that my bike says I did 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds, while Dragy said I did it in 4.5 seconds. So I think I'll believe the Dragy a little more. But either way, I hope you enjoyed this video. So until next time, see you.